In today's video, I'm going to show you Monsga robot vacuum and mop combo review. The Monsga robot vacuum and mop combo is a feature-rich cleaning robot that aims to take the hard work out of daily floor maintenance in busy homes. It pairs a powerful suction system up to 5,000 pascals or even 6,000 pascals on some variants with simultaneous vacuuming and mopping, helping lift dirt, dust, pet hair, and debris from both hard floors and carpets without repeated passes. What makes it stand out at its price point is the combination of advanced LiDAR navigation for precise room mapping and a 3.5L self-emptying base station that can hold weeks of debris, reducing how often you need to empty it manually. In real-world use, owners appreciate how intelligently the Monsga charts its cleaning routes and remembers multiple maps for multi-floor homes, allowing scheduled or on-demand cleaning through a dedicated app, physical controls, or even voice assistants like Alexa and Google. The long 180-minute runtime covers large areas in a single session before auto-recharging, and the robot's ability to vacuum, sweep, mop, and then return to its station makes it feel like a nearly hands-off cleaning partner. However, it's not without drawbacks. The mopping function works best for light maintenance rather than deep scrubbing of stubborn stains, and the tall design might struggle under very low furniture. Replacement bags and pads for the self-emptying station add to long-term costs, and the auto-emptying cycle can be noticeably loud. Initial app setup can also take patience for some users. Despite these quirks, for many households, especially those with pets and mixed floor types, the Monsga robot vacuum and mop combo delivers reliable, efficient cleaning and significant time savings over manual upkeep. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.